Welcome to Vega Renewables. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore how solar panels work and how they transform sunlight into electricity. Solar energy is one of the most abundant and clean energy sources available to us. But how exactly does it work? And why is it becoming the go-to choice for homeowners and businesses across the UK? Let's dive in and discover the science and benefits behind solar energy. To understand how solar panels work, we need to start with the basics, the photovoltaic cells. These cells are the building blocks of every solar panel. Made from semiconductor materials like silicon, photovoltaic cells are designed to absorb sunlight. When sunlight hits these cells, it knocks electrons loose from their atoms, generating a flow of electricity. This process is called the photovoltaic effect. The more sunlight that hits the cells, the more electricity is produced. But here's where it gets interesting. Solar panels are not just a collection of photovoltaic cells, they are carefully engineered to maximize efficiency. Each cell is connected to others, forming a module, and multiple modules are linked together to form a solar panel. These panels are then arranged on rooftops or open spaces, oriented to capture the most sunlight throughout the day. Now, here's an important point. The electricity generated by solar panels is direct current or DC. However, the electricity we use in our homes and businesses is alternating current or AC. So, how do we make this conversion? This is where the solar inverter comes into play. The inverter is a crucial component of any solar power system. It converts the DC electricity generated by the solar panels into AC electricity that can be used to power your appliances, lights, and heating systems. There are different types of inverters, including string inverters, microinverters, and hybrid inverters, each with its own advantages. String inverters are common for residential systems, converting DC to AC from a string of panels. Microinverters are installed on each panel, optimizing the energy output of individual panels. Hybrid inverters are capable of managing both solar power and battery storage, allowing you to store excess energy generated during the day for use at night or during cloudy periods. Solar energy is not just about producing electricity, it's about producing clean, renewable electricity that benefits both the environment and your wallet. One of the most significant advantages of installing solar panels is the potential to reduce or even eliminate your electricity bills. Depending on the size of your system and your energy usage, solar panels can provide substantial savings. In the UK, homeowners can also benefit from the Smart Export Guarantee, (SEG), which pays you for the excess electricity you generate and export back to the grid. But the benefits don't stop there. Solar panels are also a fantastic way to reduce your carbon footprint. Unlike traditional fossil fuels, solar energy doesn't produce harmful emissions, making it an eco-friendly choice. By switching to solar, you are actively contributing to a cleaner, more sustainable future. There are a few common myths about solar panels that we'd like to clear up. One myth is that solar panels don't work well in the UK because of the weather. However, solar panels do not require direct sunlight to generate electricity, they can still produce energy on cloudy days. In fact, Germany, a country with similar weather to the UK, is one of the world leaders in solar energy. Another misconception is that solar panels require a lot of maintenance. In reality, solar panels are incredibly durable and require minimal maintenance. With no moving parts, the risk of mechanical failure is low. Regular cleaning and occasional professional inspections are usually all that's needed to keep them operating efficiently for decades. Solar energy is more than just a trend, it's a step towards a sustainable future. By installing solar panels, you're not only reducing your energy costs but also contributing to a greener planet. At Vega Renewables, we're here to help you every step of the way. Contact us today for a free consultation and find out how easy it is to make the switch to solar. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content on renewable energy.